Today's video, we are going to look at the concept of what? Hexadecimal system. What is a hexadecimal system? Hexadecimal system is a system of number base which comprise of both the numbers and the letters. And the base of hexadecimal system is always in what? 16. It starts from what? 0 down to F, where A stands as 10 and B stands as 11, C stands for 12, D is 13, E is what? 14, and F is equals to what? 15. Remember that we have other system of what? Number base. We have what? The decimal system. The decimal system stands as what? Base what? 10. Then we also have what? The binary system. The binary system is what? Stand as what? Base what? 2. Then we have the what? The octal system. The octal system stands as what? Base 8. This one is what? 2. And this one is what? 10. Then we also have what? Hexadecimal system. The hexadecimal system of what? Number base is a type of number base that have what? Base what? 16. How do we encounter question on hexadecimal system? When we give you something like this, maybe asked to convert 3A2 in base 16 to what? To base what? 10. So whenever you see this type of question, this is a question on what? Hexadecimal system. Why? Because the question comprises of both the numbers and the letters. So how do we do? We are going to say what? 3A2 in base 16 is equals to 3 times what? The base. The base is 16. Then we are going to say what? Plus A times what? 16. Then we now have what? Plus what? 2 times what? 16. Then here we have 0 first, 1 and 2. Then from there we have 3A2 in base 16 will be equals to what? 3 times 16 times 16. Because 16 raised to power 2 simply means 16 times 16, not 16 times 2. Then we have what? We say but our A is equals to what? 10. So here we are going to replace A with 10 by saying 10 times 16. Since 16 is raised to power 1, we only multiply it by 1. Then remember, according to law of indices 2, any number raised to power 0 is 1. So since 16 raised to power 0 is there, then in place of 16 we are going to have 1. Then we are going to have our plus into 2 times what? 1. Then from here we have what? 3A in base 2, 3A in base 16 will be equals to, we'll pick our calculator to avoid error by saying 3 times 16 times another 16. We have 768 plus, then 10 times 16 will give us 160 plus, then 2 times 1 will give us what? 2. So we're going to add all the value together. That is 768 plus 160 plus 2 will give us what? 930, and the base is what? Base what? 10. So this is all we have to discuss about hexadecimal system. We say it comprises of both the numbers and the letter. The letter part, A stands as 10, B stands as 11, C stands as 12, D stands as 13, E 14, and F is 15. Since the base is always in base 16, the number ranging from 15 down to 0. We say the decimal system is a system of number base where we have what? Base 10. Another name for base 10 is called decimal system. Binary system, another name for base 2 is binary system. Then octal system, another name for what? Base 8 is octal, and hexadecimal system is what? Base 16. So this is all we can take on hexadecimal system. In our next class, we are going to look at the addition of what? Hexadecimal system. Please Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day. Bye.